Friends, today we are going to discuss about a problem in Power Query. So here you can see we have a one table. In this table we have a two different column, and each column are table type. So here you can see in each table we have a two column. Here you can see this. Okay, these two column we have, and what is our requirement? We want to convert these multiple column item into text, just like this. Here you can see. So this is our problem statement. If we have a here, if we click, we could have a multiple item in a particular column, and that all these items we want to convert like this with using any separator. It could be a comma, semicolon, space, oblique, anything else. So let's see, don't waste our time. Let's see how we can do that in Power Query. So just open our query editor. Here we can see I have already created, but just read the earlier one. Now you can see we have a two column with table type. So in each table we have a two column, and here you can see in some table we have two row, in other table we have more than two row. Here you can see we have a more than two row, and from these two columns what we want to convert these all the item into one cell. Here we want to create a new column, and into that new column we want all the item into single cell. That is our requirements. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, we will go into a add column section. Here we can see three type of column we can add. So we will choose custom column from here and give a meaningful name. So we just convert table item, uh, expand table item items. Okay. So what is the solution? What will be the query for that? So as I shown you earlier, here, just a minute. So this is the problem statement, and here you can see this is the solution. So this is the query which we are going to use in Power Query. So in this query you can see three functions which is highlighted as a bold: Text.Combine, List.Transform, and Text.From. List. Text.Combine is used to uh, combine the list of text with a separator. So this whole is written a list of text, and then convert it into a text. Then it's separated by this separator is comma. And list.transform the column name, table and column name as a list, and then it convert into text dot from into text, then separator. So this portion return a list, table name and column name. So let's see how we can do that. So go back to the our query editor. Here we already opened. So first of all we will use table dot combine, table sorry text dot combine, the first one. So here you can see text as a list, but we don't have a text in each cell as a list. We have a table. So for to convert this table into a list, we will use list.transform function, list.transform, and now this need a list as a list. So but still we don't have a list as a list. Here in this column we have a table. So how we can convert these table items? What are the table items? These two column, and we need to convert. So what we can do, we just need to type a table. So here in this case, these are the table items to the sheets, and from this we extract the column name that will that will treat as a list. So the column name is name. So we will type here name, and the whatever this list written, it should be into a form of text. So to convert the all the value into text, we will use text.from, text.from, from. Okay, just remove the extra part. Text.from. Now the list.transform is complete. It's completed. Now need to complete the Text.Combine. So this is the list as list, and now we need to use separator. So we will use separator, comma, and then we close it the query. So now it's completed. Just hit OK button. Now you can see the item of this table, the two column, and what we want to combine the first column item into a single row text. So this is written like this. So you can see we have a total more than 6 to 7 item, and all is separated by comma. So this is the our requirement, and here is the solution. So guys and friends, now you have solution. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you very much.